AX7 Maintenance Mode. To enter maintenance mode in the AX7, quickly tap the screen at the bottom left, bottom right, and bottom left. It might take more than one try. Now we're in maintenance mode. We can see how many fueling points you have here. Application version shows the current software version. We can see the terminal is in install mode. When the unit comes from the factory, it will say factory mode. The tech installing the terminal will need to upload a USB file to change it to install mode. MSI file feature set describes which features are installed. Let's click Diagnostics and enter the password. From here, we can see system information, and the only thing that you need to look at is the RFID reader, Sankyo card reader, MSI file feature set, the IP address to diagnose networking issues, SVMX version, this is the Anthem software version, and the device ID. The set of numbers after the last dash is the MAC address. Okay, that's all for this screen. Let's go back to System Info. Now let's check out Branding View. This screen shows you the logo at the bottom and the site info at the bottom right. And back to System Info. Let's go to Plugins. Everything should have a green play button next to it if it is operating normally. And back to System Info. The Reboot button in the middle of the screen will reboot the system. Click RFID Reader. From this screen, you can tap the card to make sure the reader works, and the facility and card ID should populate here. Back to System Info. Let's click Sankyo Card Reader. You can insert a card to test it, and you can see Track 1 and Track 2 information here. Track 1 and 2 are just two different sets of data on the card. We don't need to worry about any of the tests, so we can scroll down and press Exit. We can go back into maintenance mode, and this time we'll press Dispenser Health Monitor. You want to make sure that all the items in this list have a green check mark. In this instance, our DX monitor service is not running, so it has a red X. Sometimes DTC server connection may not be working either. And that's all for AX7 maintenance mode.